My name is Chichi. Today I'm going to teach you 5 Igbo words. Five words. Hopefully I can post a video every week. 5 Igbo words. So today the first one we're going to learn is bia. Bia is come. Bia. Bieba means come here. The second one will be house, right? Ulo. The third word today will be dalo. Dalo means thank you. Dalo. Say dalo. Dalo means thank you. The fourth word for today will be nwoke. Nwoke. Nwoke is a man. Nwoke. Olonye nwoke ahụ. Who is that man? Okay. The fifth word will be nwanyị. Nwanyị is woman. Look at this beautiful woman. I hope you learned something today. The first word, I'm going to do it again, is bia, which is come. Second one was ulo. Third one was dalo. Fourth one was nwoke. And fifth one was nwanyị. See you next week. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share and come back next week. Bye.
I can't suffer because of what in stranger go talk.